Welcome to RPA. In this video, we'll discuss about UiPath join data table operation. Here, if you can see, we have two Excel files which contain some informations like employee ID, employee name, and location. In another sheet, we have employee ID, salary, and department. Whenever we are working with join operations manually, it is taking long time to join any data table or any two data table together. But here, with the help of UiPath, we can achieve it very quickly. So first, I will drag and drop read range workbook and provide the Excel file and sheet name. We'll copy same read range workbook and change the file name and sheet. Whenever we are adding those files, we wanted to store value into one variable as an output so that we have two data table output which can be used for performing join operations. Here we'll add another activity, join data table, provide both the data table value, and here we'll also get join type. As of now in UiPath we have inner, left and full join. For me, I'm selecting inner join and column data table I'm providing as employee ID from both the table. So base will be always employee ID in my case for joining both the data table. And finally, I wanted to store the result in DT result variable. After that, I will use write range workbook to save the value into new Excel along with sheet name. And finally, we are providing the variable which we have created in previous step. I wanted to include header. That's the reason I checked header. Next, we'll run the code and see the result. When I will open result.xls, we have inner join data available. So employee ID is same, but in this case, you can see both the tables got joined. Because it's inner join, you can see employee ID, employee name, locations. Again, employee ID, salary and department. Let's try and make the changes into sheet. I'm just trying to add some common value in both the sheets. So this is a column 7 which contains the same information so that we have the join operations can be performed. Again, this time we'll use inner join and we wanted to store the value into sheet 2. Now, when we'll open the result, we'll have sheet 2 available with inner join operations where you cannot see sixth value available. Now, this time I wanted to use at left join where the results can be stored into sheet 3. So whenever execution is done, when we'll check result Excel, which contains left join data in sheet 3. You can see it here. So it means 1006 Ajay Mumbai is got added and we don't have other informations in next table, I mean data table. So even you can see the concept of left, inner and full join on UiPath documentations, which will give you a clarity about these concepts. And finally, we have whole join operations. where we can use full join. Now I am just changing the order. So my first input data table 1 is employee 2 and second input data table is employee 1. And let's see the result, how it looks. I wanted to store the result in sheet 4 to give you more clarity on it. Now let me open the result and show you sheet 4. So sheet 3 contains this informations and sheet 4 you can see it here. When I shifted the order, you can see the last value is added into left join of table 2, not in table 1. And when we'll do full operations here, I'm just changing again or reverting it again with the same concept. Data table 1 contains employee 1 informations. Data table 2 contains employee 2 informations. Now let's run the code and see the result. Output is generated. Here you can see the full data table contains all those informations available. So that's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful. Don't forget to share within your circle. And if you want to learn more about UiPath, feel free to subscribe this channel and don't forget to press bell icon. So whenever I will upload new video, it will get notified to you. Thank you for watching.